Good morning, grade 8. We are going to continue talking about systems of linear equation in two unknowns. This time we are going to talk about graphical method. But before anything else, I would like to have Micah 6 verse 8. He has showed you, O men, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God. God bless. So graphical method this time. So if you have two linear equations, you are going to graph them and find the point of intersection of these lines. The coordinates of that point is the solution set. So how to graph the lines? You can have 2 points, then you have a line when you are going to connect them. So one way of doing is either setting y to 0 to find x, or setting x to 0 to find y. There are other means to do it as long as you have 2 points. You may also set the equation of the line to the slope-intercept form or the functional form y equals mx plus b to find the slope n and the y-intercept b. Take note, all lines with different slopes will intersect except if the lines are parallel, for they have the same slope. So if lines have same slope, they will never intersect because they are parallel. So shall we just show these two equations on the board? X plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals 2. So we'll just have an example because graphical method is not so suitable when you have bigger numbers. These are only good for showing when you have small numbers. So shall we show it on the board? So x plus y equals 6. When you set this to the slope-intercept form so that you solve for y will be equals to minus x plus 6. So your slope here is negative 1 and your b or y-intercept is 6. The other one, when you solve for y, you separate this and join. So it will be x minus 2. So the slope here is 1 and y-intercept is equal to negative 2. Other way, if you are going to set the variable to 0, let's try. So when you set x to 0, so y will be equals to 6. And when you set y to 0, so x will be equals to 6. So you get these 2 points also. Yeah. So that's the way if you're going to set them to 0. So likewise in the second equation, so when you set x to 0, so naturally that y will be equals to negative 2. When you set y to 0, x will be equals to 2. So you can also use that. Anyway, anything that you will do will help you. So let's see the graph here. So for the first equation, y-intercept is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your B. And the slope is negative 1. So 1 and to the right. So this is your second point. And you can extend the line. So this is the line. So put an arrow. Put an arrow. You can extend. So this is the line. For the second line, y-intercept is negative 2. So 1, 2. This is the point. And the slope is 1. That is 1 over 1. 1, 1. So this is the second point. And you can extend the line. Yeah. And you will notice that these two lines here will intersect at this point. You find the coordinates. So for x. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And y, 1, 2. 2. So these are the solutions. So the solution is 4 for x and y is 2. So you may just take here. So when x is 4 and that is 2, and it will be 6. When x is 4 and that is 2, 4 minus 2 equals 2. So that is the way how to use graphical method.